State. As you all know, there have been cases of rampant mugging in the Central Business District, which falls under Starehe constituency. And three months ago, I remember I talked to Inspector General, and I informed him of gangs that were forming in the CBD of Nairobi, and we discussed. And I told him, if something is not done, it's the gangs or the youths will turn Nairobi into a Gotham City. We had a meeting with the security agents, and the complaints, there were complaints from the public and the complaints from the police. The public was saying that they don't have confidence with the police, because most of them, when they go reporting the cases of mugging, they are not taken seriously. And most of them abandon the cases even before the suspect or the victims or the gangs are arrested. On the side of the police, they were saying that most of the victims, when they are mugged on the streets of Nairobi, most of them don't go reporting to the police. And when the thugs are arrested, it becomes hard for the police to take them to court, because there's no way you can have a case if you don't have a complainant. So as the Member of Parliament for Starehe, I'm concerned, because I do believe Nairobi is supposed to be the safest city. As we all know, it's the capital city of Nairobi. And I'm calling on the county government, the Interior Ministry, to make sure that Nairobi returns to how it was. Because now the businesses, the businessmen, the business people are worried. All Nairobi dwellers are worried, because the incidences are even happening during the day. As the Member of Parliament representing CBD, I'm calling on the police to make sure that the patrol police that patrol the streets of Nairobi are assigned according to the streets and held, and so that when an incident happens, let's say like Tomboya Street, we have the police officers who have been assigned to that street, and they can be held responsible for whatever happened. I'm also calling on the ministry, because when I go around, most people are saying that unemployment is the major cause of the youth turning into crime. I'm calling on the Ministry of Youth Affairs to bring back the NYS program, because we all know the program was stopped, and it used to employ 2,000 youths in every constituency. If you multiply 2,000, and we have 17 constituencies in Nairobi, you find that 34,000 youths have been rendered jobless by having the program stopped. So I'm calling on the Ministry of the Youth Ministry, the government through the Ministry of Youth Affairs, to have the program back, because I do believe if the youths that were working in that for that program are employed, we won't be having a lot of youth idle we won't be having idle youth in the central in Nairobi. Also, today the county government have banned bodas coming to the city center. I do know, and I believe there are some boda riders who are involved in crime, but we cannot criminalize all of them, because we know there are those that work and feed their families through the bodas. And as we talk now, we have more than 300 bodas which have been confiscated by the county government. And as the Member of Parliament for Starehe, the county government didn't consult me before making that decision. So I'm calling on the county government to release the bodas they have arrested, and have a meeting with elected leaders and the boda representatives. Because I do believe if we ban them in the CBD, we'll be creating more problems than we are having. Because I do believe the problems we are having in Nairobi today is because of unemployment. And now, if we have all the bodas rendered jobless, we'll have more unemployment, more youths who are unemployed. We'll have more crime in the Central Business District. So I'm calling on the county government to collect the database of all the boda riders, have them registered, and find for them spaces where they can operate. They can operate without disturbance. I'm also calling on the boda riders, because there have been outcry from the public that they don't follow the rules and the regulations. They must also help the county government and the national government in identifying those who are involved in crime. That's what I have for today. Swali?
Mheshimiwa, tatizo liko wapi haswa na suluhu ni nini kutokana na hivi visa ambavyo kidogo inaonekana kukithiri siku za hivi majuzi? Wengine wanasema labda ni wachuuzi ambao wanaingia